I was told that as you grow older, the chance of your survival time increases, right? Some people are saying 25 years. Some people are saying 29 years. Is there anything like that?
When I was growing up, the life expectancy of somebody that has sickle cell was in their 20s. I'm 47 years old. So I was supposed to die many times over. Okay? And God said it's not my time, I'm still here. So nobody can tell you when you're gonna die. So I would not give you there's a life expectancy, but right now, based on the treatment and based on the medication that is out there, we can live all to our 70s.
Okay. So I'm going to hold on 1 second, okay? We will come back to you. So, Mr. Obasi, that 21 years is what we say in our country.
Yes, because I had my neighbor.
Yes.
The son
yes.
died like a month before he turned 21.
Yes.
I mean, we cried. We were crying. Why didn't he live next 1 month?
I know.
So he will survive.
That 21 at least that person will an adult that will start taking care of himself or herself. But sickle cell disease, it will kill. You can manage it, but you cannot have any cure. But now, because of all this research, they are doing bone marrow, and they use the bone marrow of a sibling. So we donate here to their brother or to their sister. So one will heal because of that. But mama no 21. Ya will show to fail. You can't to fail at sickle cell. All life. Go ahead. Sorry, sir.
I would add to what you said.
Yeah.
It depends. Okay. So life expectancy is based on environment.
Yeah.
It depends on treatment. It depends on economic status. So if you have no money, and you're not able to afford medication, and you don't know how to treat yourself, you don't have the information, the life expectancy might be affected by that. But if you're able to, as an example, there's a drug called hydroxyurea, and there's a lot of part in Africa they don't even have that medication. And here, because our medication are covered, a lot of people can buy that medication and they'll be able to extend their life based on that. And if that drug, actually, we can manufacture that drug in Africa, in places in Africa, where the drug should be costing people on average $2 a day, right? So it's possible. So if we're able to have access to those drugs, the life expectancy in parts of region around the world, they'll be able to afford it, and they can have a longer life.
Madam, wait, please, Madam, please, go ahead.
Okay, thank you very much for the presentation. This is just a nutshell of what sickle cell is.
For sure.
Sickle cell discussion is something that will take a longer time to discuss. And I appreciate what you are doing. But I would like you to extend it in the area of prevention. Counseling is very, very important. Yes, if we can let us not just base on treatments, the people who have it, what of the people, the young ones.
Yes.
I remember when I had a young friend that said, because she fell in love with a young man, he said, "Oh, auntie, don't you know what I can do? Go and change." And this is a pharmacist. And I said, forget about that love. I work in the hospital, and I've seen a place that 3 children will be in the hospital with the mother suffering. It's still the same women that will suffer in the hospital. But never mind in this place that things are like this, but down home, where mothers are everything. I've seen a place that the husbands abandon their family because of the number of sickle cell. It's not something that you can wish your enemy. The pain of it is horrible. So I would like us to please extend this
time
to
prevention. When we are going to do the Igbo Union, I will invite you because our time is limited.
Yes.
So today, our topic today is about transfusion and the importance
I'm
of
just
blood.
saying it may not necessarily be here because in a
I
meeting
agree
like
with
this,
you. That's what
it's
I'm
not
saying.
enough. If we can, bring youth, we are talking about youth, we can
Yes.
organize for youth to talk to them. That
sure.
May infatuation we call love is not love, because when it happens,
For
that
sure,
love
we are
will
doing that,
disappear.
madam.
Okay.
I
Thank you.
appreciate it
And
so much.
again, we are talking about management. Fleet is very, very important. I have seen people who have lived without taking blood because of how
Okay,
they manage themselves.
we don't want to
I'm
go
just
that
making
way.
continuous of-
We don't want to go that way. Let me tell you, I'm an Igbo lady, and that one will. Biko, onye gbakwara gị shi gị, enwena ụmụaka akpọ ndị support ga na Nigeria. Nwa anwụna because of the faith of Papa Nwogbaga Nwoshi, ndị amaji Jehova eji na-take blood. Biko, this is a civilized world. I don't even want to hear that.
I do say,
And
I say there are people who can live without that.
I know
When
it
you
all
manage
depends
yourself.
because that's why we say that sickle cell varies. Sickle cell varies according to human beings. And the topic for today is